So this is how to buy Ethereum Classic cryptocurrency in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up Robinhood, go down to the bottom and in the middle, select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start typing in Ethereum. And then the second option right here is Ethereum Classic, ticker symbol ETC. Select that. Once you're here at the bottom, press buy. Now once you're on the buy page right here, you can go to the top right and choose your order type. So there is a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in Ethereum Classic. I will just keep it at a market order in Canadian dollars. Then type in how much you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $10 worth, you would type in 10 for an example, and then press review. Then on this page right here, you can go ahead and review the order so you can see how much Ethereum Classic you'd be purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how to buy Ethereum Classic crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.